एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव का और एक चैप्टर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज, उसका नाम है टेंजेंट नॉर्मल, हाउ टू गेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल। सो पहले टेंजेंट क्या होता है, टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल, ये दो चीज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो कोई भी कर्व अगर दिया हुआ है, सपोज दिस इज ए कर्व, ये एक कर्व है, तो इसका कोई भी पॉइंट पे ये पॉइंट को जो टच करके जाएगा, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू इंटरसेक्ट, ओनली ये पॉइंट को टच करते हुए निकलेगा। दिस इज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज टेंजेंट एट दिस पॉइंट। ये पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे ये टेंजेंट है। ऐसा मान लो इस पॉइंट का बात कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ टेंजेंट ये हो जाएगा। मान लो ये कर्व को हम रोटेट यहाँ करा रहे हैं, कर्व ऐसा रोटेट हो रहा है, अगर इस पॉइंट का बात कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ टेंजेंट ये होगा। इस पॉइंट को टच करते हुए जो जाएगा जिस स्ट्रेट लाइन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए टेंजेंट। अब टेंजेंट एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, तो फर्स्ट ईयर में आप लोगों ने पढ़े हो स्ट्रेट लाइन का 5 डिफरेंट फॉर्म। हालांकि हम लोगों यहाँ यूज जो करेंगे दैट इज पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म। ये फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़े हो पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म। ये पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म में व्हाट इज दैट पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म, y माइनस y1 इक्वल टू m इंटू x माइनस x1। तो ये तुम्हारा इसका हेल्प लेंगे। m क्या है, m इज द स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट, स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट at the given point, what, x1 y1। मान लो ये पॉइंट का बात कर रहे हैं, ये पॉइंट है x1 y1। तो इस पॉइंट पे ये लाइन, पॉइंट तो ऑलरेडी लाइन का दिया हुआ है। कोई भी लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन का इक्वेशन निकालने के लिए हम लोग को दो कंडीशन चाहिए हमेशा। व्हाट आर दोस टू कंडीशन, एक है तुम्हारा पॉइंट, दूसरा है तुम्हारा स्लोप। So how to get the slope? To find out the slope, your formula is what? When the equation is given in the form of y, so slope, that is dy by dx, or if it is given in the form of fx, either तुम्हारा ये तुम्हारा x एक्सिस है, ये तुम्हारा y एक्सिस है, तो ये कर्व का इक्वेशन जो होगा either you can write y equal to fx। तो यहाँ पे स्लोप होगा dy by dx, m का वैल्यू कितना आएगा, dy by dx। This is the slope of the tangent, and either you can write, if it is in the given in the form of fx, तो यहाँ पे क्या लेंगे, f dash x। क्लियर? तो टेंजेंट है क्या, समझ में आया? टेंजेंट means it is just going to touch the point. This is a straight line which is going to touch the curve at the given point or at the point where you are going to find out the tangent. So you will get infinite number of tangents. और एक चीज है तुम्हारा नॉर्मल। नॉर्मल मींस व्हिच इज 90 डिग्री टू द टेंजेंट एट द सेम पॉइंट। ये है तुम्हारा नॉर्मल। दिस इज गोइंग टू मेक एन एंगल 90 डिग्री एंड दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, नॉर्मल, एंड दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, दिस इज योर टेंजेंट। तो नॉर्मल का पॉइंट तो वही रहेगा तुम्हारा, तो नॉर्मल में सिर्फ स्लोप बदल जाएगा। जब दो लाइन परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं तो दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या, स्लोप का प्रोडक्ट कितना होता है, m1 into m2 must be equal to -1। तो m1 अगर स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट हुआ तो m2 कितना आएगा, m2 equal to -1 divided by m1। इससे हम निकाल लेंगे क्या, स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल। अब प्रॉब्लम में इसको यूज करेंगे तो और क्लियर हो जाओगे। ओके, देखते हैं कोई भी एक प्रॉब्लम। सो क्लियर नाउ, दिस इज रिगार्डिंग योर how to find out the equation of tangent or equation of normal. Suppose here one question is given, find the slope of tangent and normal of the curve 2x square minus y plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus y plus 3 equal to 0. At which point? At, it is given as x equal to 0. So when x is given you as 0, first you find out the point. So by putting x as 0, 0 minus y plus 3, you are getting 0. or you will get y equal to 3. It means your given point is which one? Point is what? 0, 3. Now if when you want to find out the slope of tangent, that is what? You know what? How to find out the slope of tangent? We have to find out dy by dx. So here dy dx, when you are going to differentiate this equation, or you write here dy dx of 2x square minus y plus 3 equal to derivative of 0 is 0. So here you will get 4x minus dy by dx plus derivative of 3, this you are getting 0. So you are getting its value is 0. Or what is the value of dy by dx? Dy by dx you are getting how much? That is 4x. What is the value of x given? 0. So it means 4 into 0, its value is 0. So here the slope of tangent you are getting 0. So what is the slope of normal? So when you want to find out slope of normal, that is minus 1 divided by, what is the slope of tangent? That is 0. So you are getting, it is not defined. It means from this you are very much clear that when the slope you are getting 0, it means the tangent is parallel to what? That is x-axis. And suppose here, let's suppose this is the curve. Suppose here this is the curve, suppose. Now this is the tangent which is parallel to x-axis for this problem. And your normal is like this. So it is parallel to which axis? Y-axis, and you know the slope of y-axis is what? It is infinite. Clear? This is one of the example. How to get the slope of, this is the slope of tangent and this is the slope of normal. Suppose another problem we have to, here suppose one question is there. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y equal to, here y is given you as what? That is x to the power 6 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. What you have to do here? क्या करना है हमको? यहाँ पे इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट और इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल निकालना है. And what is the condition given? The point is also given at, here point is given as at 1, 3. Point already तुमको दिया हुआ है. So what is the slope of tangent? dy by dx you are getting how much? That is 6x to the power 5 minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. At 1, 3, dy by dx will be how much? This will be, what is its value? You put x as 1. 6 into 1 to the power 5, that is 1. Minus 18 into 1 square, that is 18. 26 into 1, this is 26. Minus 10. So it will be what? 26, 6, 32. Minus 28. Its value you are getting what? 4. So slope of tangent, you are getting how much? That is 4. What is your equation of tangent? So equation of tangent, you will find what? What is the slope? Your equation of tangent, that is, the form is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here this is called as m and this one is called as what? x1, y1. Now you put in your equation. Y minus y1 is what? 3. This is 4 into x minus x1. So it will be y minus 3. This is 4x x minus x1. What is the value of x1? x1 is 1. So y minus 3 you are getting 4x minus what? 4. Or you can say 4x minus y minus 1 equal to 0, because 4x, this is minus y, minus 4 plus 3, that is your minus 1. This is the equation of tangent you are getting. Clear? अब क्या निकालना है? इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. तो इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल जब निकालेंगे तो क्या करेंगे यहां? What is the slope of tangent? M. Then what is the slope of normal? So slope of normal will be what? Slope of normal. Slope of normal. This is how much? Minus 1 by slope of tangent. हमको कितना मिला था? 4. So that is, this is going to give you slope of what? ये क्या मिला हमको? Slope of normal. क्योंकि slope of tangent ये प्रॉब्लम में कितना आया था? 4. Then slope, tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. Definitely product of their slope is minus 1. So what is the slope of normal? That is minus 1 by 4. So after getting the slope, you have to find out the equation of normal. So what will be the equation of normal? Equation of normal. ये कितना होगा अभी? That is y minus y on point is same 1 3. Y minus 3, it will be what? M. M is minus 1 by 4 into x minus 1. So what will be its value? So it will be 4y minus 12 equal to minus x plus 1, or you can say x plus 4y minus 13, this equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal. Clear? In this way you have to find out the equation of tangent and the equation of normal. It is very simple, कोई hard नहीं है इसमें, क्योंकि हमको पता है ये तुम्हारा कोई भी कर्व अगर दिया है, this is the tangent at this point and this is the normal at this point, and they are going to make an angle of what? 90 degree. तो इसका स्लोप अगर m हुआ तो इसका स्लोप कितना आएगा? -1 by m. एंड पॉइंट इज सेम. जिस पॉइंट में तुम्हारा टेंजेंट पास कर रहा है उसी पॉइंट से जो नॉर्मल था, ऐसा बहुत सारा नॉर्मल आएगा परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस लाइन टेंजेंट. देयर आर सो मेनी नॉर्मल्स, बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कंसीडर ऑल द नॉर्मल्स. वी हैव टू टेक दैट पर्टिकुलर नॉर्मल व्हिच इज पासिंग थ्रू द सेम पॉइंट. उसी नॉर्मल को लेंगे जो उसी पॉइंट से पास कर रहा है, तो उसी पॉइंट से एक ही लाइन पास करेगा, एंड दैट इज going to perpendicular to this one. So according to your condition of perpendicularity, so you will get the slope of normal as -1 by m. Clear? Then next we are taking another problem. Suppose here find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve x equal to 80 square, x equal to 80 square and y equal to 280. And what is the point at t equal to 1? Same. So here, when t is given you as 1, first let us find out the point. अगर t का वैल्यू कितना दिया है? 1 दिया है, तो पुट करो यहाँ पे x equal to a into t square. 1 square that is 1. a into 1 square, its value you are getting a. Y equal to 2a into t is 1, so it is 2a. So what is the point? Your point is what? A and 2a. This is the point. Clear? अब point clear हो गया. अब क्या करना है? Slope of tangent. तो उसके लिए क्या चाहिए हमको? dy by dx. तो यहां इससे क्या मिलेगा तुमको? इसको देखो, यहां से क्या मिलेगा तुमको? dx by dt, that is what? 2at. और यहां से क्या मिल रहा है तुमको? dy by dt, this is what? 2a. So what is the value of dy by dx? We know it. dy by dx, it will be what? dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt you are getting 2a, and here dx by dt you are getting 2at. 2a and 2a cancel, you are getting 1 by t. What is our point? At a to a, dy by dx will be how much? You put here What is the value of t? Oh, sorry, t. Oh, t is already given you as 1. You put that. It is not required here. So, at t is 1, when t is 1, what is the value of dy by dx? So, dy by dx, you are getting 1 by 1, its value is 1. So, you are getting slope of tangent as 1. So, point is, so here you see, M you are getting 1 and your point is what? A to A. This is the point. So, here, what is the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent, it will be what? Y minus y1, that is 2a, equal to 1 into x minus a. Or you can say x minus y plus a equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. The next is what? What is the slope of normal? Slope of normal, you will find how much? That is minus 1 divided by, what is the slope of tangent? That is 1. So its slope you are getting how much? Minus 1. This is the slope of, this one is your what? This is the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. So what is the slope of normal? Minus 1 by 1. Because tangent and normal, they are always perpendicular to each other. So after getting the slope, what will be your equation? Y minus, what is the point? Point is same, that is A to A. So what is your equation of normal? So equation of normal, what you will find? That is minus 1, or you can say y minus 2a, it will be minus 1 into x minus a. So here y minus 2a, you will find minus x plus a, or you will get x plus y minus 3a equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Clear? समझ में आया? बहुत सिंपल है. dy by dx, कोई भी कर्व का इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ y और fx, दैट डजंट मैटर. अगर y इस फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है तो dy by dx निकालेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. आइदर पॉइंट इज गिवन डायरेक्टली और सम कंडीशन इज गिवन बाय यूजिंग दैट कंडीशन. वो कंडीशन को जब यूज करेंगे वी विल गेट द पॉइंट. तो आफ्टर गेटिंग द पॉइंट, you know point slope form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That gives the equation of tangent, and already we are getting the slope of tangent. So minus 1 by slope of tangent, that gives you the slope of normal, and by taking the help of point slope form, you will get the equation of normal also. Next we are taking another question, suppose. So here, there is a question. Find the angle of intersection of the curves. Find the angle of intersection of the curves. What are the curves? एक कर्व दिया हुआ है तुम्हारा xy equal to 6. Another curve is given you as x square y equal to 12. x square y equal to 12. अच्छा, पहले ये प्रॉब्लम करने का पहले हम लोग समझते हैं कि जब पहले कोशिश करते हैं जानने के लिए कि इसका डायग्राम कैसा होगा. सपोज यहाँ छोटा सा डायग्राम कर रहे हैं. ये मान लो एक कर्व है और ये एक कर्व है, दोनों यहाँ इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो हमको ये दोनों कर्व का अंदर एंगल निकालना है. मतलब इस पॉइंट पे दोनों इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो ये कर्व के लिए जो टेंजेंट होगा ये आएगा. मान लो इसका स्लोप m1 हुआ. इस पॉइंट पे ये कर्व के लिए जो टेंजेंट होगा ये आएगा. मान लो इसका स्लोप हुआ m2. तो ये दोनों लाइन का टेंजेंट का अंदर जो एंगल आएगा, that is called as what? That is the angle between the curves. So here, what is the formula? ये भी हम फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़े हैं. tan phi equal to plus minus m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2। तो अभी सबसे पहले हमको करना क्या है, दोनों का स्लोप निकालना है। तो फर्स्ट ये पॉइंट भी चाहिए हमको, तो लेट फाइंड आउट द पॉइंट। वो पॉइंट है कौन, देखते हैं। सपोज here it is xy equal to 6, then what is the value of y? Y you are getting 6 by x, and from this equation you are getting y equal to 12 by x square. Now you equate both the equations. So what do you find? 6 by x, this will be 12 by x square, or you can say 6 is cancelled, 2, here you will find x square equal to 2x, or you can say x square minus 2x equal to 0. X you are taking common, x minus 2 equal to 0. Either you are getting the value of x as 0 or you are getting the value of x as 2. This is the condition you are getting. When you take x as 0, what is the value of y? Y you are getting 6 by x. So it is not defined. 6 by 0, this is not defined. So we are not going to consider x as 0. तो इस वैल्यू को हम, because x वैल्यू तो डिफाइन हो गया, y वैल्यू डिफाइन ही नहीं होगा, तो उस पॉइंट जब तक नहीं आएगा तब तक वहां टेंजेंट हम नॉर्मल निकालेंगे कैसा? वो दोनों का अंदर टेंजेंट का स्लोप और नॉर्मल का स्लोप, तो दोनों का अंदर एंगल निकालना पॉसिबल नहीं है। देन यू आर टेकिंग दिस पॉइंट, ये x इक्वल टू 2 ले लेंगे। जब x का वैल्यू 2 लेंगे, y इज इक्वल टू 6 बाय 2, इट्स वैल्यू इज 3, तो एक पॉइंट मिला हमको 2 3। Another, when you are taking x as 2, here it is 4 into y, same thing you are getting in this equation. If you are going to put also, you will get the same value. So your point you are getting how much? That is 2 3. Clear? तो हमको पॉइंट कितना मिल गया? That is your 2 3। और यहाँ पे भी पुट करेंगे, एक ही बात है, कोई एक में पुट करो, दोनों में पुट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, दोनों में पुट कर सकते हो। तो ये 2 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 4, और इसमें पुट करते हैं 4 into y, this you are getting how much? 12, और y you are getting 12 by 4, this you will get 3. So your point is what? 2 3। तो ये पॉइंट हमको मिल गया कितना? This point is 2 3। अब इसका स्लोप निकालेंगे, इसका dy by dx कितना आएगा? ये कर्व में dy by dx, y you are getting how much? 6 by x, ये जो पहला कर्व है y equal to 6 by x, तो यहां dy by dx, this will be what? That is minus 6 by x square, because you know 1 by x having its derivative as what? Minus 1 divided by x square, so it will be minus 6 by x square. So when you are going to put the value of x as 2, or you write here at x equal to 2, at this point dy by dx कितना आएगा? dy by dx you will find minus 6 by 4, or you can say it as minus 3 by 2. This is your m1। पहला टेंजेंट का स्लोप मिल गया। अब सेकंड पे आते हैं। सेकंड इक्वेशन क्या है तुम्हारा? y equal to 12 by x square. So what is dy by dx for the second equation? So dy by dx, this will be, what will be its value? Minus 24 divided by what? X cube. At x equal to 2, dy by dx यहां कितना आएगा? dy by dx will be how much? That will be minus 24 by 2 cube. X का वैल्यू कितना है? 2. X value is 2. 2 cube, that is 8. So it cancel. So its value you are getting minus 3. ये तुम्हारा मिला क्या? M2. Clear? M1 मिल गया, M2 मिल गया। अभी क्या करना है? Angle between the two tangent निकालेंगे, वही होगा angle between the two curves. So here, when you are going to find out the angle between the two curves, so what to do? Here you see. So tan phi is what? Tan phi you are getting how much? Tan phi, this is plus minus m2 minus m1, or m1 minus m2, that depends on m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So what is its value? M2 is minus 3. Here you put plus minus. Minus 3 minus. M1 is minus 3 by 2 means minus minus plus. 1 plus M1 is minus 3 and M2 is minus 3 by 2. So what will be its value? It will be plus minus. It will be minus 6 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 9 by 2, sorry, by 2, and here it is 2 plus minus 3 that is 9 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. So here what will be its value now? So you are getting 10 phi is how much? 10 phi you are getting plus minus 6 plus 3, that is your what? Minus 3 divided by 9 to 11. So what is the value of phi? Phi will be 10 inverse plus minus 3 by 11. For acute angle you have to take plus 3 by 11 and for obtuse angle you have to take minus 3 by 11. तो देखो ये बहुत सिंपल है. Tangent and normal is very very simple and you can easily solve those problems. ये बहुत आसान है. हमको निकालना क्या है? dy by dx. Then what you have to find out? dy by dx gives you the slope of the tangent and then you have to find out slope of the normal as minus 1 by that the slope of the tangent, and after getting it you have to put in the form of point slope form. तो इससे हमको इक्वेशन मिलेगा. तो ये तुम्हारा एक इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है सेकेंड ईयर का. अभी तुम लोग एग्जाम फेस करोगे आगे चल के, तो इसको रिवाइज करो और इसका जो प्रॉब्लम्स है और प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में. तो इसलिए ये जो चैनल है इसको सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो एंड यू स्प्रेड इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स टू गेट more videos on different chapters. Wish you all the best. Thank you.